Today we're going for a boat trip to Saint-Pierre Islands and Seychelles Curieuse. It's going to be a very fun day. Nico is already on the boat. I'm going to join him right away. We just arrived in Curieuse Islands and we are told to wait on the beach because they are going to take our temperature. So this is where we arrived from with the boat. This is the barbecue and dining area. There are a few houses and there is even a reception where Nico is. I wonder if they sell any drinks or anything. And there was also a stand, like a store where we had a temperature check. We are at Seychelles Curieuse and I didn't expect to see so many turtles. Giant turtles, of course. Look at the size of that one. Hello Toto. Bonjour Caroline. Tu vas bien? Hop là. Curieuse, hein? Elles viennent toujours vers nous. Hello. I don't know if they are shy. Must be shy. We came for snorkeling and we actually found so many turtles and they are so attaching that we played, I think, for more than an hour with those. We've done. And now we are heading back to the assembly area, the barbecue area, where we have left our snorkeling gear. Nico is going to have a swim because it's very hot.
Ouais.
Yay!
C'est qualité.
Tu mangeras du chou ou pas?
Mange tout.
Tu mettras la vinaigrette par-dessus. Le vent.
C'est bleu. C'est bleu. Like the Russian. Oh, Molotov.
Plus de banana, je m'en vais.